The National Weather Service has issued a storm surge warning for all or part of New York City's shoreline areas. The combination of strong winds, dangerous storm surge, and the tide may cause normally dry areas to be flooded by rising waters moving inland from the shoreline within the next 36 hours. Persons located within the warning area should take all necessary precautions to protect life and property from rising water and the potential for other dangerous conditions. For specific location and timing information, please visit www.weather.gov/NYC. To find out if you are in a coastal storm evacuation zone, visit www.nyc.gov/knowyourzone.